In this video I'm going to be walking you through how to add phone number to your Bybit account, or how to change your Bybit account phone number. So all you just have to do, just open your Bybit app, and it's going to show you on the home page just like this. So just click on the top left icon, then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Then you're gonna see security right here. So just click on security, then it will take you straight down to this page. The next thing you're gonna do, just click on mobile, then it will load. You can see not set up, so I haven't set up my own. I haven't input any phone number right there. So the next thing you're gonna do, just check your email to see the code they sent to you. You can see my phone just sound. So put in the code, and then once you input the code and the code is verified, you're gonna see a page where you can actually add your phone number to your Bybit account, just for more security for your account. So this is how you can set up or add phone number to your Bybit account.